Tezos value forecast is one of the most well-known search terms since XTZ unleashed ruin among crypto bears over the most recent few months. Before we plunge into the stray pieces of this Tezos cost expectation, we should rapidly check what's really going on with XTZ. Tezos introduction. Tezos is a novel blockchain, another Ethereum executioner that was first proposed in a paper delivered in August 2014 with additional particulars declared in a white paper delivered in September 2014. The Tezos blockchain is planned with an emphasis on chain administration, permitting token holders to decide in favor of proposed changes to usefulness to try not to fork the organization. In 2015 the pioneers, Kathleen and Arthur Brightman, laid out an organization called Dynamic Record Arrangements, which was liable for composing the underlying code for Tezos. At the center of this codebase is a self-correcting convention, a framework to formalize proposing, deciding in favor of, and executing changes to the usefulness of the organization. When a proposition has been made, holders of Tezos, XTZ, tokens can cast a ballot with a weighting of 1 vote for each token. Tezos blockchain utilizes a changed variant of a designated confirmation of stake (DPoS) framework where stakers, called pastry specialists inside the organization, can secure their tokens in return for the capacity to approve blocks. In Tezos' more fluid DPoS framework, clients can delegate tokens to pastry specialists without moving possession. Prizes for approving blocks are dispersed to dough punchers as new XTZ tokens, with a relative measure of the prize disseminated to wallets that have designated tokens to the pastry specialist. This empowers more modest symbolic holders to partake in the approval and prize process on the off chance that they hold not exactly the necessary add up to turn into a full bread cook. Our XTZ token value expectation for 2022. It is very evident that digital money value expectations ought to be accepted with some hesitancy. However, there are elements to pay special attention to that will more than likely have a direction on the future cost of the more extensive cryptographic money market. This incorporates the level and nature of guidelines forced in ruling digital currency markets, the level of cryptographic money reception in the approaching year and past, the level of development in the cryptographic money fates market, the utility of tokens, and the capacity of the fundamental innovation to tackle certifiable issues. The entire crypto world is on an edge of an undeniable bear market. Bitcoin has drooped half from its untouched high in the midst of the more extensive market drops affected by seething expansion, and US took care of rate increments. Financial backers are selling hazardous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely hazardous play, and subsequently the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2022 forecasts. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a neighborhood base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the removed and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days, with a smidgen of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause an ordinary and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost expectation model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and principal evaluation of each undertaking. Essentials that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, advertising endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical potential, and a few other exclusive elements created in our crypto lab. October 1, 2022. Plus 0.28% $1.53. October 2, 2022. Minus 0.48% $1.51. October 3, 2022. Plus 5.12% $1.60. October 4, 2022. Plus 6.14% $1.62. October 5, 2022. Plus 7.50% $1.64. October 6, 2022. Plus 7.12% $1.63. October 7, 2022. minus 1.28% $1.50. October 8, 2022. Plus 0.21% $1.53. October 9, 2022. Minus 1.11% $1.51. October 10, 2022. Plus 3.08% $1.57. Tezos cost forecast 2022. Most of specialists concur that this bear market will endure essentially for the principal quarter of 2022. Preceding, we see a few adjustment in little pattern inversions. Expectation model brings market feeling into a record and responds in like manner. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022. 2022 October plus 2.95% $1.57. 2022 November minus 6.95% $1.42. 2022 December plus 0.04% $1.52. 2023 January plus 8.93% $1.66. 2023 February plus 10.43% $1.68. 2023 blemish, plus 10.39% $1.68. 2023 April plus 21.13% $1.84. 2023 May, plus 26.42% $1.92. 2023 June plus 25.30% $1.91. 2023 July plus 43.87% $2.19. 2023 August plus 35.80% $2.07. 2023 September plus 47.00% $2.24. XTZ value forecast 2025. Our forecast model sees XTZ coming to $15.98 in 2025. What will XTZ be worth in 5 years? The cost of XTZ in 5 years could lie around $3.42. Tezos value expectation 2030 to 2040. What Tezos will be worth in 2030? Our anticipating model sees Tezos coming to $39.95 in 2030. What Tezos will be worth in 2040? Our estimating model sees Tezos coming to $79.90 in 2040. Will Tezos supplant/outperform/overwhelm Bitcoin? No, Tezos won't supplant or overwhelm BTC. Might Tezos at any point reach $10? Indeed, Tezos could reach $10 toward the finish of 2022. Is Tezos worth purchasing? We are promoters of reasonably hazardous money management. Put the vast majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, half, 35% in a container of enormous